A girl throws a ball vertical upwards with an initial velocity of 8 meters per second. It bounces against the ceiling after traveling a distance of 150 centimeters. She catches the ball again 0.65 seconds later. It has left her hand. Assume that the contact time of the ball with the ceiling is negligible. Ignore the air friction. Take upwards as positive. Now, izinto la okufanele uyizenze, asikwazi ukuphendula ama-question ibhola singaliboni ukuthi lihambe kanjani. So, ibhola lethu lisuke laya phezulu, labuye laya phansi. Alifikanga phezulu ngo-0 because ibhola lethu ngesikhathi beliphosa ukubani le-ceiling ibingekho ngabe liqhubekile. So kusho ukuthi alifikanga laphana ngo-0. Kubani le-ceiling ibingekho ngabe liqhubekile ngoba kuthiwa livinjwe ceiling. So ngabe mhlambe kube u-0 i-velocity lapha uma ngabe lijika emoyeni. So wena-ke umuntu we-physics uya-analyze izinto awukremi. You don't assume ukuthi every time at maximum height i-velocity u-0 kuya ngokuthi ijike iplan. So le nto ibisenamandla ibisafuna ukuqhubeka yashayisa laphana uyasho ukuthi ayifikanga ngo-0 laphana. So singasho sithi this is critical point A, B and C. So ukusuka uya laphaya kwi-sailing esandleni sale ntombazane uyofika kwi-sailing basitshenile ukuthi 150 centimeters. Immediately yakhumbula ukuthi okay, asisebenzi ngama-centimeters, sisebenza ngama-meters. Then sidivayida ngobani? Sidivayida ngo-100. Shuthi lana nje ubani? 1,5 meters kufanele sisebenze ngayo. Okay. Ikuphi okunye? Initial velocity siyayazi yini? V initial u-8 meters per second. Final velocity asiyazi. Okay. Explain what is meant by the projectile. Projectile, an object which has been given an initial velocity and it moves under the influence of gravitational force only. So fanele uhlukaniseke phakathi kwa-projectile nani ne-free fall. Khona umehluko lapho awukwazi ukubhala i-definition ye-free fall ubuzwe nge-projectile. Unake-ke izinto. Now basitshenile bathi khetha ukuya phezulu ukuthi ku-positive manje basiphoqile. Masike sakhetha kanjalo acceleration yethu ihlezi ibheke phansi. Kushuthi izoba negative, negative 9,8 meters per second. Bayasiphoqa. Banakho basitshenile. Since sikhetha ukuya phezulu ukuthi ku-positive kanti i-direction acceleration ihlezi ibheke phansi sekuyaphikisana ne-direction esiyikhethile sinjani yona seyi-negative throughout the calculations. Now yini enye eshintshayo? Ngesibuko yini enye eshintshayo? Shuthi i-velocity yokuya phezulu izoba positive. I-distance ezohanjwa ibhola liya phezulu izoba positive. Mase libuye ibhola liza ngapha izoba negative. Delta y wethu uzoba njani? Uzoba negative ngoba selibuya in a negative direction. Kanti ngapha yini? Positive direction. Lezo zinto lezo. Loyana ke uzokushintsha leyo uzohlezi negative noma ibhola liya phezulu noma ngabe liya phansi. Singaphambanisi izinto. Okay, siphendule umbuzo. Calculate the magnitude of the velocity of the ball when it reaches the ceiling. Sibhala VF is equal to VI plus A, change in T. VF squared is equal to VI squared plus 2A, change in Y. Change in Y is equal to VI, change in T plus half A, change in T squared. Now, I guess check-ke, checklist. Bafunani? Bafuna sisuke from point A to point B. Sithole i-velocity. Initial velocity sinayo u-8. Acceleration esinayo 9,8. i-negative, yini enye esinayo from point A to point B, sinayo i-delta y, ubani, 1,5 meters. So bafuna sithole ini, i-velocity, uma ngabe ibhola lifika lapha phezulu. So si-check-a-ke la sinayo initial velocity, sinayo i-acceleration, asinaso isikhathi, asikwazi ukusebenzisa le formula. Checklist, initial velocity sinayo, acceleration sinayo, change in y sinayo. Namathikho amathathu siyayisebenzisa. Vf squared is equal to vi squared plus 2a, change in y, initial velocity 8 to -9,8, delta y 1,5. Wasebenzisa 150 usuyimoshile-ke le nto. Yikho into esisazoyenza ngayo-ke lapho. 8 squared plus 2 -9,8, 1,5. So sithola bani? 34,6 Vf squared. So uVf wethu uzolingana nobani? No 5,88 meters per second. So that is our velocity at maximum height. 5,88 meters per second. Ngiyasula la, just for a space. Ngiyayigcina leya velocity leya at point B. Equation elandelayo ithi calculate the magnitude of the velocity of the ball when it leaves the ceiling. Now, enye into esiyaziyo laphaya ukuthi she catches the ball again 0,65 second after it has left her hand. Shuthi ukusuka kwebhola la lize lizofika la lihambe u-0,6 second. Thina kodwa sifuna ini? Sifuna i-velocity yokuthi ibhola lisuke ngobani la phezulu seliza la. Lisuka ngobani laphaya liza la. Khumbula final velocity asinayo, initial velocity asinayo. Akusho ukuthi ngoba lifike ngo 5,8 lapha lizosuka ngo 5,8 akusho lokho. Assume kanjalo. Ngoba lizofike libounce laphaya kube khona energy which is lost due to sound. So i-velocity ibhola lizofika ngayo ngeliye ngayo phansi. So sifuna ukuthola ukuthi lizosuka ngobani lapha phezulu and asiyazi ukufika phansi. Kodwa into esiyaziyo, siyayazi le height, siyayazi acceleration. Shuthi sidinga into eyodwa ukuze sizocalculate ini? I-initial velocity. Sidinga into eyodwa. Kodwa sinikeziwe isikhathi sokusuka la sizofika lapha and sine-information eningi yokuthola isikhathi sokusuka la sizofika lapha bese sisubtract kulesiya sithole sokusuka ku-B siyofika kubani? Ku-C. Senzeni kanjalo. So masibuka u-A to point B singa-calculate isikhathi. Vf is equal to VIA, change in T. Vf 5,88 sikutholile lokho, initial u-8 plus -9,8 delta T. Sikutholile lokho ukuthi ibhola lifika ngo-5,88 lapha. Sesifuna ukuthola ukuthi lizohamba isikhathi esingakanani. -8 -9,8 delta T. Divide by -9,8 on both sides. Loyo ukhansela loya. Delta T solingana nobani? So it is 5,88 minus 8 all over -9,8. So isikhathi esizohanjwa ibhola from point A to point B u-0,2163 second. Uma uthanda ungashiya nje iy'namba ziba u-4 after i-comma. Okay, so isikhathi-ke esizohanjwa ibhola from point B to C kuzoba u-1,65 asikesi akusiwu-1 but u-0,65 minus isikhathi esihanjwa ibhola from point A to point B oku-0,2163. Lokho kuzosinikeza u-0,4336 second. So isikhathi leso sokusuka ku-point B siya ku-point C. Sesinaso isikhathi, sinayo i-height ezohanjwa ibhola, sinayo i-acceleration. So sesingabheka ifomula-ke nalezi zinto lezi esinazo, esithi sinazo. Let's-check-e laphaya. Khumbula asiyifuni ifomula ene-final velocity ngoba sinayo i-velocity yokufika la ku-point C and sifuna i-initial. So la kune-final velocity, la kune-final velocity. Yes-check-e le initial velocity sifuna yona, delta y sinayo. Initial velocity sifuna yona, isikhathi sesinaso sesitholile, acceleration sinayo. So leya formula nje esiyazisho ukuthi ngikhetheni, khethani mina, sesiyayikhetha nathi. Delta y is equal to VI delta t plus half of A change in t squared. Khumbule leli bhola mase lihamba sesibheka manje u-B to point C and sesiya in a negative direction. Delta y isithe unjani? U-negative. Negative bani? Negative 1,5. Initial velocity sifuna yona. Isikhathi u-0,43. Kodwa kwi-calculator ungafaka iphelele. La ngizoshawa isikhala. Half negative 9,8 0,43 all squared. Singashaya lapha 0,5 negative 9,8 0,43 squared. Now 0,43 VI minus 0,90601 1,5. So this is 1,5 plus 0,90601 0,43 VI. Divide by 0,43. Divide by 0,43. Now VI is equal to negative 1,5 plus 0,9061 all over 0,43. Kusikhiphela bani lokho? Initial velocity kusikhiphela negative 1,38 meters per second. You can conclude ubhale i-velocity positive, but why ibe negative? Akusilo iphutha ukuthi negative, Ingoba sithe i-velocity yokuya phansi enjani? I-negative, and i-velocity yokusuka lapha phezulu lesiyitholayo kufanele ibe njani? Ibe negative ngoba yokuya kuphi? In a negative direction. But just for ukuconclude nje ngayibhala as positive ngoba u-negative kahle kahle usitshena ini? I-direction. So but 1,38 meters per square second, excuse per second downwards. But abekho strictly kakhulu in terms of direction. Okay, njengamanje bafunani? Mhlambe izinto esingayigcina isikhathi from point A to point B 0,21 or 0,2221 second. Enye into esingayigcina i-velocity from point B to point C, initial velocity negative 1,38. Okay, njengamanje bathi asidrowe igraph. Sesizobona ukuthi le graph abathi asidrowe inani nani. Yini le abafuna ukuyibona kule graph? So nazi izinto abayifunayo kule graph. Bathi-ke Draw a velocity time graph. Draw a velocity time graph for the motion of the ball from the moment it leaves her hand until the moment she catches it again. Indicate the following on the graph: the velocity of the ball as it leaves the girl's hand, the velocity of the ball immediately before and after it bounces off the ceiling. Now, siyayifuna i-velocity yokufika kwe-ceiling, siyayifuna futhi i-velocity yokusuka kwe-ceiling lapha kwigraph yakho. So, igraph yakho izobukeka kanje. Ukhumbule-ke, ibhola lisuka liya phezulu, ukuya phezulu ku-positive, kuya phezulu ku-positive. Kukuphi phezulu? Nakhu phezulu. Kodwa phezulu alifiki nge-velocity ewuzero, khumbule phela. Kodwa khona lizoya phezulu. Sho liyasuka liya phezulu. Mhlawumbe ngisebenzise omunye umbala. Liyasuka liya phezulu. And lisuka ngayiphi i-velocity? Lisuke ngo-8. Lifika ngobani? Lifika ngobani la? Lifika ngo-5,88 phezulu. La ubhalile velocity in meters per second. Lifika ngo-8 velocity versus time graph. Lifika ngo-8 la. So lithatha isikhathi esingakanani? Lithathe u-0,22 second. This is 10 second. But abashongo ukuthi asesiveze leso sikhathi leso. La selisuka ibhola seliya phansi. Lisuka nge-velocity negative mase liya phansi. Negative bani konje? Negative 1,38. Nakho la lisuka khona. Suka liyaphi? Liya phansi ibhola. Khumbule phela ulayini nje osuka la uya le suka uya phansi, ulayini oza la suka uya phezulu. The line that is moving away from x-axis uya phansi. So ibhola lethu bese lisuka ngaleya velocity leya ewu-negative 1,38 liyaphi? Liya phansi. And lifike ngobani la esandleni salo ntombazane after 0,65 second. So isikhathi abashongo ukuthi asisiveze. Nazi izinto abathe asiyiveze ey'balulekile. Initial velocity. Uma wenze nje la, uma uveze lokhuya uthola imakhi. Leyana, i-shape yala, i-shape yala. How many marks? 5 marks. 5 marks for ukuthi i-graph yakho idrawe kanje. Siyabonga ithuba. Siyacela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like.